Hi, my name is Ian Lamont. I am the founder of In 30 Minutes Guides, including Microsoft Word in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose. And one thing Angela talks about in her book is increasing the size of a picture or decreasing the size of a picture. Today I'm going to talk about increasing the size of a picture that you've already imported into Microsoft Word. So here's our picture. It's imported into Microsoft Word, and I want to make it bigger. Actually, I want it to cover the whole column. And you'll notice when you import a picture, it's usually a default size. Sometimes it's really big, sometimes it's really small, sometimes it's in the middle. I won't get into why it will automatically make a picture a certain size when you import it. But let's just say that you've imported the picture and you look at it and you're like, well, wait a second, I want that to be bigger. I don't want it to be just kind of the mid-size picture. Select the picture and you'll see these little dots appearing on the outside. So one way to increase the width would be just to grab the middle dot here and drag it out. But actually that's a problem because you can see what it's doing is it's actually elongating it. That is, it's stretching it out. So the vertical is the same, vertical size is the same, horizontal is spreading out and it's distorting it. And you can see this lady's chin now is really, really large. What we want to do is make it everything increase at the same ratio. And there's a couple ways to do that. So select the picture and then grab one of the corner elements here on this side and then start dragging that out. And you can see what it will do is it will actually make the horizontal and the vertical sides go out at the same rate and it will look a lot better. So that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is you can precisely adjust the size bigger by selecting the picture and then at the top. And by the way, this is the same in Windows or macOS. It's the same interface. You'll see a new tab. It's called Picture Format. So click on that. And then you can do things like adjust the size. So right now this is in inches in width. It's 2.36 inches high, 3.55 inches wide. And you can just start changing it. So let's say I want to make this 5 inches wide. I just click that. And you can see this one automatically adjusted. And the reason why it did that, whoops, let's go back here. The reason why it did that is this little checkbox here. And this basically, it says lock aspect ratio. That basically constrains the size. So of course, I could change the height if I wanted to. Like let's make this 3 inches. And then if I put the cursor in the width window, it'll automatically change. But that's basically how to make a picture bigger. One final note. Sometimes the reason the picture is not that large in the Microsoft Word is because the original picture, the quality is not that good. That is, it doesn't have enough pixels in the image to actually make it bigger. Maybe you got it off the internet or somebody sent it to you and they didn't give you a big version of it. So basically what you want is you want an image that has enough quality so when you make it bigger, it looks all right. So look that again. All right, so this picture was 1,000 pixels wide when I used it. And you can see stuff is starting to blur a little bit as I drag it out. So maybe what I want to do is I want to find a higher resolution version of that image. Maybe at least 2,000 pixels wide or even 3,000 pixels wide. And then it will look a lot sharper. For more information on how to get the most out of Microsoft Word, check out our book, Microsoft Word in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose. My name is Ian Lamont. I'm the publisher. Thank you so much for watching.